everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am applying fake nails using blue gel nail polish.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh,
After applying fake nails on all nails, we'll let it cure for 60 to 90 seconds. Now I will apply first coat of nail color.
oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry.
Let it cure for 60 to 90 seconds. Then start applying glitter nail polish to give it ombre
You're
effect.
channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
Apply some glue nail gel nail polish and apply sequin on it. the nails properly, then apply top coat. Thanks for watching.